Animal alphabet created by Umesh Ugde. Look, listen and repeat. A for ant.
A for ant.
B for bear.
B for bear.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for deer.
D for deer.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for insects.
I for insects.
J for jungle.
J for jungle.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for tortoise.
T for tortoise.
Bull.
Bull.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for wolf.
W for wolf.
Fox.
Fox.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
अधिक शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओसाठी शिक्षक मित्र हा YouTube चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा आणि लॉग इन करा umeshugde.blogspot.in वर. थँक यू.